Wait, what? Hmm, let's see that again. No. That's wrong. So wrong. I'll start by analyzing the kinematics. With Video Tracker, I was able to get the angle from the horizontal, the impact angle, the time it gave me on the graph, and the distance it took, assuming that the car used in the movie is 4.52 meters long. Using the angle from the horizontal and the distance and time on the graph, I was able to find Vx. From Vx, I found V1y, and from those two, I found the initial velocity, which is by analyzing the motion from which the van hit the tree, I found a different distance and time, which I used to find the impact velocity. I also calculated the max height, which is 0.212 meters, the time at the max height, which is 0.2 seconds, and the acceleration, which is 4.274 meters per second squared. But wait. That makes no sense at all. Here's why. Now, as soon as the car left the ground, it became a projectile, and a projectile has an acceleration of 9.8 meters per second squared. However, the acceleration we calculated is 4.724 meters per second squared. That's not possible. Now, using Video Tracker and multiplying the distance by time, we found V2y to be 4.36 meters per second. However, according to calculations multiplying acceleration by time, V2y should actually be 9.87 meters per second. And finally, our max height that we found was 0.212 meters, according to V1y. However, that palm tree is not 21 centimeters. Therefore, none of these calculations add up, and the kinematics don't make sense in this movie. By Googling the model of the car used in the movie, I was able to find the curb weight, which is the mass of the car. I used the mass of the car to find gravity, and after I found the force of gravity, I found F net by multiplying mass with acceleration. After I found F net and gravity, I subtracted those two to find the only other force acting on this motion, which was friction. Now moving on to work, power, and energy. Through my calculations, I found that the work is equal to 13,946.35 joules, and power is equal to the same. I found the energy to be 3,895 joules at max height, and I found the initial kinetic energy to be 3,875 joules. However, I found my final kinetic energy to be 17,821.5 joules. That doesn't make sense. Now we all know that doesn't make sense, so here's how it really should have went.